Hello guys, my name is Kaushal Patil and our today's video topic is wrapper class in Java. So let us discuss first the two main concept of wrapper class, that is unboxing and boxing of the wrapper class. So let us start first. What is Java? So basically Java is totally an object oriented programming language, but in Java, when we pass the value, we pass as int, short, double in these keywords. So by pass by passing the values by using this keyword, we do not create the object. It is simply passes the value. But this int, short, double are came from C and C++. But basically, as we see that uh, Java is Java is object oriented programming language, we have to create the classes. So there is also a class of integer, short, double. So it is created by giving integer, then name equals to new integer, and then passing the value. So in this way we can pass the value, and it becomes the object oriented. So by let us take an example. If we pass the value int a equals to 5, then let us pass next integer a integer b equals to new integer, and in that we will pass 5. So as both the variables are same as both the variables are same, then it is called as boxing. And uh, when we give when we pass the next value int c equals to a, int c equals to b, then it is unboxing of that wrapper class, auto auto unboxing of that wrapper class. So in this way wrapper classes are used in Java. uh, the the types of wrapper classes in Java of are basically of primitive data types. They are integer, long, short, byte, float, double, character. So these are the types of wrapper classes in Java. As as i as i have as we have discussed earlier how to pass the value by the wrapper class, we can similarly pass the value of all these classes. They are byte, short, double, character, float, by using the wrapper class instead of passing directly. So in this way our our code should be totally object oriented. Similarly, we can also uh, unbox the uh, integer value by giving int c equals to b dot integer value. In this way we also can unbox the integer value, and it would be totally object oriented. So in this way the wrapper classes are used in Java. So there are total 8 types of wrapper classes in Java. They are in short, byte, long, float, double, and character. So this all wrapper classes can use similarly in our code. So this is all about wrapper classes in Java. Thank you.